नमस्कार दोस्तों, ऑनलाइन फिजिक्स क्लास में आपका स्वागत है। मेरा नाम है कृष्ण कुमार। आज हम बात करेंगे मैग्नेटिक और इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स के बारे में। उसके पहले कुछ बातें हमें जानना जरूरी है, जैसे कि इलेक्ट्रिक लाइन ऑफ फोर्सेस। An electric line of force is in an imaginary continuous line or curve drawn in an electric field such that the tangent to it at any point gives the direction of the electric force. Let us suppose that there is a wire, a current passing through that, and electric field around that. How can we get the strength of electric forces? Can we get? Is it possible? So it is quite hard or difficult to find the strength at variable points at different points. Just we can predict that how much this strength is. So to calculate in a proper way, we are considering line of forces around the wire. Electric line of forces is an imaginary continuous line. It is an imaginary continuous line. We imagine that the electric line of forces around wire will be likewise as shown in this figure. If we are considering a charge, then electric line of forces as shown in diagram. And if we are considering a couple, then electric line of forces will be likewise as shown in this diagram. First of all, we are taking a positive charge as here. Electric line of forces to the positive charge is going away always from the positive charge. And if instead of positive charge there is a negative charge, then all the line of forces are continuously going towards the negative charge. And we are talking about the couple as shown in this figure. Same law applicable here, and we see the result as this. Similarly, magnetic line of forces are there. Magnetic line of forces are same curved lines used to represent the magnetic field around the magnet. Okay, and the number of lines are drawn around the magnet just in the magnetic field, just to know or to represent the strength at different points. So to get the direction of magnetic force at any point, we will directly draw a tangent on that point, and we will get the direction of magnetic force acting at that point as shown in this figure. We can see in this figure point A, point B, point C and point D are different points around the magnet. Physical magnet, you can see only this north south pole and a magnet. You cannot see these lines of forces in physical. These lines of forces, imaginary lines of forces as we draw, and the A and B and C and D are different points where the forces or magnetic forces are with the different strengths, depends on the magnetic flux. Now we will talk about electric flux and magnetic flux. First of all, electric flux is the rate of flow of electric line of forces passing through the given area. Line of forces passing through area is electric flux. Either electric flux or magnetic flux, both are same. Flux is same as uh, given in this figure. You can see that the area is there and all the line of forces are passing through that area, and electric flux can be mathematically or mathematically shown as phi E is equal to E into A. Electric flux is the product of the magnitude of the electric field and the surface area perpendicular to that field. Phi E is equal to E into A as shown in this figure. Same magnetic flux. Magnetic flux is defined as the number of magnetic line of forces passing through a given surface area, as shown in this figure. 1 meter square of area shown here, and all the line of forces passing between the north and south pole, and they are passing through this area. So how much line of forces are passing through this area? That is magnetic flux. I hope you all understand.